In the new coordinator model, we're going to be doing a lot of video conferencing, and we can do better. Just don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. And why are we looking at your ceiling or up your nose? Can you turn on a light? That's better. That's a start. Now, this guy, the big light source behind you, that would look much better on your face. Turn around. Face the window. The more light on your face, the better. In this case, we turned on the room light, but it gives that weird red color on the face. Different light sources have different colors, from warm firelight to a cold winter day. Try to use, if you can, the same kind of light, the same color. Fluorescent, LED, incandescent, or just turn around. It's that easy. Now, what can we do to help this guy? Lift your laptop up so you're looking straight at it. Turn on a light. Turn on a second light. And now we're going to match the color light behind me. There we go. Much better. Here's my lighting setup. I've got my computer elevated. I have 2 clip-on lamps with LED daylight balanced bulbs in the background. And I have 2 desk lights with diffusers, the same colored LED daylight balanced bulbs. You don't have to be fancy though. Let's review. Set up a stage behind you. Give your audience something nice to look at. Don't put on a light right above your head. The shadows look weird. Instead, put as much light in the front of you as you can. Windows are great, but for consistent results, night and day, get a desk lamp or 2 and raise your computer up. Just a little bit even will make a big difference. It's that simple to have professional looking results.